Hello, welcome back to my Only Arts. Today we are making a full reference sheet for this fluffy queen. Started with the sketch, front, back, and pose view. It looks messy now, but trust the process. Cleaned up the lines next. Fluffy ears, big tail, and that little smirk. Already hitting different. Then came the base colors, creamy fur with that blue mint purple blend. Low-key obsessed, not gonna lie. Added shading and glow. She started to come alive, like soft sunlight over her fur. Final render and background done. Everything just clicked. Fluff, color, expression, perfection, and boom, reference sheet complete. Honestly, she's adorable. Follow at Only Arts for more cozy, furry art drops.